Welcome back to our page. Welcome back to our channel, to our YouTube channel. Before now, we did this, place our roof and place our ceilings to it. And today we say we're going to be taking us on lighting points, placing the lighting points around the ceilings. And looking at this, we're seeing the design, the ceiling. We are having the design of the ceiling. So we're going to place a lighting point around it. Then from the downstairs down to the upstairs, show you how to place the lighting point and the cover lights at that region too. So when we render it, to start illuminating and to dish out good lighting around the region also. So let's do this quickly. Let's pick lighting points and place. So when you want to place your lighting point, like we did it in placing ceiling, went to ceiling level. You cannot place a lighting point from any of this level. You have to go back to ceiling level. Let's start from level 1. So these are the places we can place our lighting point. So let's go and pick a lighting point. How we pick lighting point is this. Say load. Go from this components, then we load. Component to load. Therefore, let me use library 2. What we're looking for is lighting fittings, not electrical fittings. Lighting fittings, that's what the lighting points are. Depending on your library. So, good morning. Okay. Lighting fittings. So these are lighting fittings here. Now check which of the lighting points do we need. Let me see. Library we're using now. I want to use library 2. I also get the fittings there. I want to use library 2. So I can pick ceiling lights. These are the lighting I want to use here. Among this lighting, let's see. Let's just check around. This is having ceiling fan. Right. This is having. When we want to do linear modeling, you can use this light. You can use this light to do linear modeling. Whereby we can use it to form a rope light. Yes. A strip light. I use it to form a strip light, this particular light now. So one of our tutorial will do that. This is the light we're going to use. This light is this light doesn't embed on the ceiling. It's a projected lighting point that is at the ceiling level. It does recess down, okay? But this one to embed inside the ceiling. So, but this one too is a lighting point too that we use in igniting areas too. Okay, this is a drop light, pendant light. Okay, all these are pendant lights. This one is also just similar as the other one, but it's like a plate. Just you can use it in your probably one in the kitchen or so. Same as this. You can also use this also to as such too. So let's see, the light we wanted is this. No, this is the light we wanted. So we have our light now. Thus, placed it. The light is here now, but this time I don't. Excuse me. I'm having different lights. Tracy. Picking different light. Having different lights. Having different lights. And do the spotlights. Let future 7. Right. The lights. Command is holding different lights. Let's think I can always get it here. So I didn't pick it already. Let us see the name of the lighting points from the space. From the space. Let's go to load and see the name of the lighting point properly. Okay. Ceiling light. This is the light. Down light. Present can. Let's see. Don't know if I'm holding it. Let's check if we're holding it. Let's check if we were with it. Let's see. No, not with it or something else. Let's pick the light again. Holding chair this time. Look at the light we're looking for. Let's pick 100 watts. That is there already. The light we're looking for. Let's go back to our 3D, our ceiling level. To know if we can still see it. Let's see what is the problem. I'm holding the light already. This is the light I'm looking for. So I want to drop the light now. Okay, this is spotlight. Let me go back to 3D. This is spotlight. How it looks like. Okay. Okay. I need to remove this. Okay, let me leave it there. When we get there, we place it at the top and the first floor. Let's go back to first floor. First floor ceiling level. Therefore, bring it at the points I want it to be. So therefore, this time around, I have to do array. Highlight this way. Make it to be 5. Okay, then now shift, adjust a bit, adjust. It's okay this way. Same. I liked all of them. Highlight all of them. Highlight all of them. Use array again. Like millions of array. Make it to be 5 as well. Let's say 6. Okay. 6, okay. Let me adjust a bit. Okay. Okay. We're not having it here. Don't worry about that. Okay, I want to also place it the other way around. Then let me make it 7. Let me make it 7. Okay. Let's go to over to lines. Just running small. If suppose this work collided this, it will not function right. Let me ungroup. Then copy. Place it here. Then array. Place it here. Make it to be 6 or maybe this with 5. Okay. Okay, we've gotten this section. Highlight. Copy. Okay. Just take it back a bit. Okay. Array. This way. Make it to be 5. Let's see if it's going to load. Okay. Expand a bit. Expand a bit. Okay. Let me highlight all of them. Highlight all of them. Highlight all of them. Then array. Then 5. Let me to be 5. Okay. Let me move the bits. Yeah, so I'll make it 7. Make it to be 7. Okay. Let's fill out the whole space. Cannot place, this is the staircase region. You cannot place it here. Cannot place it here. Group. You can just pick one out of it. Copy. Shift it a bit. Array. Okay. Shift it a bit. I like that. I like this equally. Array. This. Make it to be 4. Okay. Okay. I'm still on it. Then copy this. First of all, you ungroup, copy. Okay, let's place it this way. Bring it down a bit. So, array this way. Before. Okay. Just adjust a bit. Highlight all of them again. Highlight. Before moving, let me just shift a bit. Okay. Array. Okay, let us make it to be 4. 4. Okay. Finish. Group. Okay, let's see if we can group all this. Okay, no need. Let's just pick this alone. Okay. Just temp. Therefore, array. So let's make this to be 3. Let's adjust a bit. Let's highlight the rest. Copy. Let's array. Okay, let's make it to be 4. Let's make it to be 4. Until last general design. Highlight it again. Delete elements. Yeah. Let's do this quickly. This element was deleted. That's disturbing. So let me copy this. Copy this. How do I read this time? Front of it. I'll copy this because it's already disconnected. Then array. Make it to be 5. This one. Array. If highlighting something from the roof. Give it to 5. It's going out. I'll make it to be 4. Okay. Highlight again. Okay. We show it here. Let's make it to be 4. And let's kind of expand it. Expand it. Therefore, let's highlight every other one by by holding our control button. Okay. Yeah. Let's make it to be 5. 5. Okay. It's failed in place. That hit the wall. Okay, this is what we've gotten on the level in our level 1. So let's go to level 2 quickly to see how we can do this. Let's go to level 2 quickly. Level 2. Okay. This is what we've done before now. We've placed this wall before. So let's do this. Follow us for more. We'll be designing how to place all this. On this video, we'll be showing how to place these cover lights now. Okay, let's do this quickly. All right. Make it to the 5. Okay. Let's highlight all. Let's highlight all. All right. Let's make it to be 6. Okay. We're able to get it to the brim. So let's do this on group. Let's copy this way. Let's shift it a bit. All right. This way. Let's make it to be 3. Let's shift it a bit. Highlight the rest by holding our clipboard, our control button. Highlight, move it down. Let's make it to be 7. Then let's expand a bit. Expand more. Okay. Let's highlight this on the group. Copy this. Highlight by copying it this way. And have it there. Let's array. Okay. Let's make it to be 5. Okay. Have it. So let's shift a bit. Okay. So we'll highlight all again. Okay, let's come back to array. Highlight for array. Get down. Okay, let's make it to be 7. Let's open this, else we're going to have issue. Let's open this. Let's hit it to be 7. Let's hit it to be 7. Okay, have it there. By some wall. some on the wall that is asking to do command. Cancel, we make it to be 8. So I can cancel them. Make it to be 8. 8. Okay, now I have it. And cancel those, delete those instantly. This group. Okay. Have it now. Deleted those ones on this wall and fix it in a group. Also, arrange it properly. So that's what the command will do for you. It's like we can still do this. Okay. That command is no more. So let's copy this in array. And the copy let's also place in array. It to be 4. Okay. We do that. Split this group, copy it, highlight, array. Let's make it to be 4. Okay. Hold our control button. We bring it down a bit. So array. Let's make it to be 4. Let's shift a bit. Open. Okay. So we're here. Let's highlight this. Let's copy. At this point now, we are at this level. So let's place this at its peak. Let's place this at its peak. Okay, I want to do something quickly. Okay, let's copy this, place it at its peak. Have this now at its peak. Let's also place lighting points. Let's pick that light. Let's pick it. Save. At its peak. I want to remove this sheet so I can do it faster. You can also move it inside. When you place it here, let me show you an example of what I mean. Let me show you an example of what I mean. When you place it here, you go out, the light. I use Control and shift it in. You get it's in now. Okay, it's in. But I want to do it quick such a way that when I come back, I can place this frame back at this spot. So you look at this is governing the 4 cardinal. So I'll just do this quickly. Highlight it, move it. Since this and this is holding the 4 cardinal, I'll walk around that area. So let me pick that lighting point. Do this quickly. Now put so many of the light inside here so that as soon as it started igniting, to have more lighting to be emanating from that region outside. Yeah, those have our ways of achieving it. Okay. So now let's make cover it again. So you can understand what I'm saying. Let's move now. Okay. This is the port it was before. So let's pick this off. Let's pick that off. Okay. So let's place this at the right point. Should be. Let's place this at the right spot. It should be. Take this back at the right spot. It should be. Take that back. Take this back. Now, this highlights. Highlight this. Okay. Let me ungroup it. I can adjust this particular one. Group length. Group. Adjust it this way. So let me do the same thing here. Ungroup. Just ungroup length. Just okay. We have a bulb here. Can still place change a layer here. Now look at the lower region. We don't have any on this top now. We don't have anything here. We also can do here. Let's now place on the top. The command will now bring it on top. Let me just place 4. Let me use 3. Let me do it this way, like this here. Yeah, kind of triangle. Yeah. I still put this change a layer here at the middle. Okay. I still place change a layer. Let me remove them. Let me make it cardinal, for cardinal. Do it like this here. Yeah. Spots. The spots. So we're done with this. So let's come here. Let's place here. Let's place here. Middle array. We're going to go downstairs to see what we've done. Let's do array first of all. We'll do array on this. Those much lighting points, you're not seeing it downstairs. Let's place 4. Expand a bit. Okay. Let me go downstairs so you can see what I'm saying. Open it on 3D. Okay. Let's go to 3D so you understand what I'm saying. I'm not seeing all those much balls. But look at it here. Look at the bulb we are seeing. Only the 4 cardinals which we have. That's what we are seeing. This one should place. Those much bulb lighting points is inside, is embedded. It's going to throw lightning much on those regions so you can eliminate from the edges as well. Okay, let's do this quickly. So run out of time. Let's go do this quickly. Highlight, 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 highlight. So let's copy. Let's move this to the edge. Let's just do it the way we did the other one. This is the extreme. Let's copy too. Yeah. Let's copy. Maybe this way. Extreme. Let's copy here. Well, let me not copy. Let me just pick the ball. Place at this cardinal here. 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 Showing that these are the places which is emanating from. There's a cardinal inside. Okay, let's do this quickly. Let's pull it off again. Can, like I told you before, can drag it in. Have ways of doing it, dragging it a little. That's no time. Need to pull it off. Using this cardinal to indicate where it is. This is where we should flow it. So let's do this quickly. Highlight all this. Okay, let me just pick up the ball and lighting points. Inside here. Let me do this. Highlights array. Okay. Then let me make it to be 8. Also, let me make it to be array. To make it very closer, let me make it to be 8. It's touching each other also. Array. Okay, let me make it to be 8. So let me expand it a bit. So expanding it shouldn't exceed here. Okay. Go back a bit. So let me highlight all of them again. So go back a bit. Then array. It will be 3. And so it's touching each other. Highlight it again. Array. Very well. 3. Okay, we got it. Let me pick up this lighting points. Let me just pick up this lighting points. I'm picking all the lighting points now. Just copy all of them this way. Also, and just do this copy. just last plots which we cannot go, then array, so not work, function, let's do array, let's make it to not work, to hit this. Okay, let's make it to the array. Let's see if it's going to work. It won't work. Don't hit that, it's too much. Function, hold on a bit. Let me just adjust first of all, else to not still work. Let's make it to the 3 now. Good. Gotten it. So let's consider this control button. This control button, this lightning we've used before. Can still use them. Let me do this here. Just need to add more this ring a bit. Let me add it here up. Group. 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 Pick this. Pick this. Pick that. Since it's long group. Group. Pick this and this. Copy it this way. Okay. Do something here. I see copy it. See holding the command. Bring it here too. Okay. Let me close a bit. See holding the command. See copy it and bring it down. A bit. See holding the command. See copy this way too. Keep closing. Just to add up the two edges. Therefore, let me do this. Copy. Just single. This one. We can fit an array. Just flipping around. Let me just arrange this first of all. Close there. Let me make it to be 6 and see. The 6 is good. So let me pick up which one 6 is good. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is good. So let me highlight the rest. Okay. Let's array. Make it to be 3. We're good with that. We're good with that. Okay. Let's see. Copy this. Copy. Take it this way. Cancel. Copy it. In this way. So let me drag it closer to where I want it to start from. Okay. Then array. This way. Take it to the 3. Okay. Close a bit. It's too close. So let me close it up again. Let's close it up again. Okay. This is how we place it. Now it's closing all the dots we've placed there, so it can emanate a good lighting point from that end. So now let's place this our lights very well in this video. Okay. Place this light very well. Okay. On group. Okay, it's like I highlighted it. Okay. So let's do this way. This bulb, and bring it out this way. Take this off. Take this up. This bulb, bring it out this way. Yeah, it's too much. Okay, that is okay. So let's place lighting point again here. 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 So at this cardinal points on the top of the POP, there's one here, one here, one here, and one here. Now we'll have lights around it. Let's see it. This is what we've gotten. That's it. Like as if we've seen all of that. This ring. Okay. Now always adjust it. Now always adjust it. There's the array. I'm not seeing it. Okay, let me see. Let me highlight delete. So I flipped that drawing very well. Okay. Let's do this quickly. Let's do this quickly. 1, 2, 3. So let's take it in a bit. In a bit. Okay. The last one. So let's bring back our wall. So okay. Let's watch it out in our 3D to see how it is. So it has gone in. Okay, it has gone in. It's now inside. Let's do this. So we've achieved it. Follow for more tips like this. In the next video, we'll bring you more context on this design. We'll model this design to the finishing of it. We'll bring the external lighting point to you as well. We'll give you also the landscape of this structure. Okay, the external lighting point, the landscape of this structure before rendering it. I think we're going to place design on tank stand as well. Here, at the same time, the gate and the fence design of this house. Follow us as we keep bringing to you this.